Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V on your iPhone. While the game isn't native to iOS, cloud gaming makes it possible. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, to ensure minimal lag. Also, a good Bluetooth controller is crucial for precise control and an immersive experience. Let's dive into the options available to get you playing. Several cloud gaming services allow you to stream Grand Theft Auto V. Xbox Cloud Gaming is a great option if you own the game on Xbox, letting you stream it directly. PlayStation Remote Play offers a similar experience for PlayStation owners, streaming from your console. Additionally, services like NVIDIA GeForce Now can stream the PC version of the game to your iPhone, expanding your choices. Setting up your iPhone is straightforward. First, download the specific app for your chosen cloud gaming service from the App Store. Next, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, with your iPhone. This provides the best control. Finally, make sure your iPhone has plenty of battery or is plugged in, especially for longer gaming sessions. To get the best Grand Theft Auto V experience, optimize your setup. Aim for an internet connection speed of at least 100 megabits per second. Playing near your Wi-Fi router will significantly reduce latency and improve streaming quality. Also, consider lowering some in-game graphics settings within the game itself. This can lead to a much smoother and more responsive gameplay experience on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.